Keep it down out there, woodpecker! Valentine's Day. What a lot of sentimental hogwash.
Send for our mysterious Kiss-alicious love potion and find love, love, love. Kiss-alicious, kiss a lot. Do you love me, do you not?
Hello? I'd like to order a bottle of passion. Potion. Oh, I'm getting tingly just thinking about it. Woohoo! It's here! No.
Kiss-alicious love potion? This is some powerful stuff.
Doody-doody-doo-doo-doo. Morning, Miss Meanie. What are you doing on my mailbox, then?
Who's the cutest little cuddly wuddly tusk puppy around?
Oh.
No.
Don't move a muscle, Cupcake. I'm off to prepare our love nest.
Kiss-alicious, kiss a lot. Do you love me, do you not? Oh, yeah, kiss a lot. Do you love me, do you not?
Woodpecker. She's gone gaga, cuckoo, buggy for me. You must help me. She's your landlady.
Let's see. I must help Wally. Not. Help Wally. Help Wally. Not. Oops. Sorry, Wally.
Please, I give you anything. Just find a way to get her not to like me.
Anything? Say, free eats for a month, Wally?
You gaga cuckoo buggy. You bankrupt me.
Yo-ho! Oh, Wally! Which sounds the most romantic? Ms. Meanie Walrus? Mrs. Wally Walrus? Or my fave, Mr. Wally Meanie?
Okay, free meals for a month, Woodpecker. She's just gonna think I'm wooing her, Woodpecker.
Do exactly as I say, and Meanie's love meter will go kaput in record time.
How do I look, my cheesy enchilada?
Boop! She's going to smooch me to death.
Relax. Just say what I tell you.
Whoa!
Okay, now turn around and say, your dress reminds me of...
Your dress reminds me of...
a bad excuse for a circus tent.
A bad excuse for a circus tent.
Oh, Wally, you're so right about this dress. In it, I'm filled with laughter, fun, and frolic, just like a circus tent. My little love clown. Come here.
This is not working, Woodpecker.
Oh, my darling, oh, my darling, oh, my darling Swedish boy. You're as cuddly as a meatball, and my heart is filled with joy.
She's a hard day's work, but I'm about to put in some overtime. Give it to her.
I got you this, Miss Meanie.
Oh, Wally, a gift for moi?
Now to collect my payoff. Meatballs, here I come.
Oh, I've always wanted a red herring coat. I bet everybody's doing dead fish in Paris this year. I simply love it.
Yoinky doinky. Not so fast, Biscuit Beak. She's more in love with me than ever. What does that tell you?
There's no accounting for taste?
No! It means your plan isn't working.
Don't get your shorts in a bunch, Wally. Drastic women call for drastic measures.
Walrus, you want a boogie?
music unchained, Wally.
This woodpecker's job is finally done.
How did you know I adore oil wrestling? Kiss-alicious, kiss-a-lot. Do you love me, do you not?
Wait, the love potion. Now they can both go gaga for each other. Hiya, Wally. Drink this.
What's happening?
Good for 4 hours only. Uh-oh, Meanies must be wearing off.
Ooh, my little fjord dancer. Come to volley.
Help! What am I doing here? And what's that smell? Ick!
It's me! Woodpecker! Help me! Help
Oh,
me!
my spicy meatball.
Woodpecker! You got to do something!
Oh, I'll be glad to find a way to take them off your hands, Ms. Meanie. What's it worth to you? Free rent for a month? 6 months? A year? How about installing a hot tub in my treehouse?
Don't play.
A basketball hoop on my tree. What do you say? What do you say?
Anything, Woodpecker!
Kiss, kiss,
Anything!
blah, 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 blah.